Once you've written the communication purpose statement, you can now turn to focusing on the reader or readers of your document. Remember, there are real people out there, and these people have their own reasons for reading, which may be largely different from your reason for writing. In addition, their knowledge may not be the same as yours. Your purpose is achieved when you bridge the gap between the message in your mind and the one the message leaves in the reader's mind. During this journey to bridge the gap, there are at least 2 obstacles you need to overcome. First, your reader isn't always present to inform you on how well you're doing, so you need to make educated guesses. And second, you may have more than one reader, and each reader may use the document differently. For example, your readers may include primary reader, specialist readers, and reviewers. In this situation, concentrate most on the primary reader to avoid the document becoming too long. To find the main points to be covered from the reader's perspective, write down your response to the following question. What questions do I believe the reader would like answered? Don't ask yourself, what do you think should be included? Don't ask yourself, what information should I give the reader? The question must be, what questions do I believe the reader would like answered? Put yourself into your reader's shoes. So, how should you do this? There are a number of things you need to remember to do. First of all, write each question in full question form as a question and not just a word with a question mark. Next, write each question on a separate piece of paper or a post-it note, and don't evaluate your questions. Just write as many as you can think of. Write a what question, for example, what is the meeting's main objective? Think of all the why, how, when, where, and who questions. Use an exhaustive approach and keep asking yourself, are there any more questions the reader would like answered until you can't think of any more? In addition to the questions you believe the reader would like answered, you also have to address other questions about your reader before beginning the next step. What does the reader know about the subject matter or topic? Your answer to this question will help you decide how much technical information to include. Would the reader understand the technical terms I want to use? Your answer will help you decide if it's necessary to include a glossary of terms. Does the reader expect a formal or informal approach? Your answer will help you decide on the type of document to write. Will the reader be positive, neutral, or negative towards the message? Your answer to this question will help you set the tone for the document and how hard you will need to work to win the reader over to your way of thinking.